How to fix YouTube Mini Player, not working on PC. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the YouTube Mini Player if it's not working on your PC. So if you're trying to pop out a video and it just won't show up, follow along step by step and we'll get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, open up any YouTube video on your computer. Now, right-click on the video once. You'll notice the regular YouTube menu appears, but that's not the one we want. So here's the trick. Right-click on the video a second time. When you do this, a different menu will pop up. From here, click on Picture-in-Picture. Once you select that, the video will immediately pop out into a small floating window on your screen. If you're in full screen mode, just exit out of it so the mini player can show properly. You can also use the mini player shortcut as an alternative solution. Just press the I key on your keyboard while a video is playing. That will activate the mini player shortcut right away. And that's it. Now the video will keep playing in the corner of your screen while you continue browsing or working on other things. Super simple fix. And now your YouTube mini player is back to normal.